Hey, good morning. Welcome to Yellow Mountain Garden. I'm about to give you an update this morning, y'all. I hope y'all doing all right today. But the first thing first, guys, as you see what we doing here, we about to get ready to plant some onions because we know the fall season is about to come in, and those spring onions that you plant in the springtime, you can get these out in your garden and get you some nice green onions. You can take them to the farmer's market and you can make you a little bit of money throughout zone 7. You can also harvest them and freeze them too as well, and put them in the freezer and use them to like up to 6 to 12 months, freezing them too as well. So that's what we about to do over here. As you see to our left, we just might plant them in between these cauliflowers and broccoli over here to the left side. We got these broccolis over here. They doing very well. We planted these broccoli, ahead of time than those broccoli because we don't want them all to come up at one time. We made several videos. You might see this video and you might see them when they were smaller and everything, but now look at them, they growing and they doing pretty good. They taking off, and we got several of them. We even got some over there in that garden over there on the other side of the field. And we got different type of little squashes coming up, fall type squash, acorn squash. A lot of people call them, it's like different type of names for them. And then they growing pretty good. Still harvesting peppers and bell peppers off these babies. You're gonna see more videos on those, how we just saving them and storing them in the freezer, and we also pickling them too as well and saving them like that. So everything coming pretty good as far as like the fall crops. Everything looking very great. So you want to take advantage and plant all this stuff in the fall area like zone 7, because don't do it from seeds, do it from starters. You want to plant them because like they can tolerate being in that cool weather, and like early morning it'd be like 45 degrees. They can tolerate being in that cool weather, and you can also eat the leaves on them too because it's edible. And this is what I use a BX tractor. If you just now watching my videos, that's how I till up everything. And they lightly till the top, so it don't like go real deep. So it just lightly move the soil. So what we have over here is cauliflower and cauliflower and cauliflower. So these cauliflowers will be coming up pretty soon. We doing dry farming. As you can see, we don't have no irrigation system out here at all. And everything growing pretty good. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. Yeah, baby. Then we got integrated cropping going on. Like I say, we got more stuff right here planted. Right here. And then, look at that. We got radish. Got that radish right there. It's radish all the way down. All this stuff is not weeds, guys. That's just how we companion farm over here. Look at that. That joker healthy right there. That joker got a big root on it. Look at that one. Big old root, baby. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just keep giving y'all some more updates. This is Garden 2. I'm gonna give you a garden update on Garden 1 over there. Tell them, hey, baby. Say, hey. We got some campers coming today, so about to get ready to plant some stuff and cut this grass down for the end of the fall. Clean up, tarp some stuff down. Y'all continue keep hitting that like button, subscribe, keep following. One love, y'all.